SAP MM Training Online Certification Course by Vistasparks Solutions Whole. Masters SAP MM Materials Management and gain expertise in procurement, inventory management, material planning, purchasing processes, vendor management, and supply chain operations with our comprehensive SAP MM training program. This hands-on training is designed for professionals and organizations looking to optimize procurement processes, improve inventory control, manage supplier relationships, and implement SAP solutions across enterprise environments. Contact on mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. The SAP 2000 training, provided by Vistasparks Solutions, offers a comprehensive program that covers all aspects of SAP materials management, including enterprise structure, logistics, and invoice verification. The training is delivered through a combination of hands-on modules and one-on-one sessions on a live SAP server. Participants can expect to gain practical execution skills, a deep understanding of business processes, and confidence to pursue SAP 2000 consultant or end-user roles. The training program includes various components such as real client cases, personal interview preparation, and hands-on 2000 execution at participants' own pace. The corporate training team provides module-wise coverage of procurement, inventory management, pricing, invoice verification, and external services to ensure consistency across organizations. Participants can benefit from this training by gaining a thorough knowledge of SAP MM, which enables them to make informed decisions and take effective actions in their daily work. The training also helps participants develop essential skills required for success in SAP MM, such as problem-solving, analytical thinking, and communication skills. Individual training is designed to equip participants with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in their roles within the SAP 2000 system. Through a combination of practical exercises and real-world case studies, participants will gain a deep understanding of how to execute materials management in a live business environment. The training covers all aspects of the SAP 2000 system, including procurement, inventory management, and logistics execution. By the end of this program, participants will have mastered the ability to manage materials from stock visibility to order fulfillment, and will be equipped with the skills necessary to drive real procurement decisions. Participants will also learn how to execute invoice verification, external services, and account assignments in live SAP ERP systems. Throughout the training, participants will work closely with experienced trainers who will provide personalized attention and support to ensure that each participant meets their individual learning needs. The training is delivered in a hands-on live environment using real-world case studies that mirror actual business scenarios. This approach allows participants to develop practical skills and apply them immediately in their own organizations. By the end of the training, participants will have achieved career readiness and will be confident in their ability to take on new challenges and responsibilities. They will also possess the knowledge and skills necessary to prepare for SAP 2000 certification exams. Overall, the goal of individual training is to empower participants to achieve their full potential within the SAP 2000 system. SAP 2000 is an integrated module that provides inventory management functions for companies operating in multiple countries. The system allows users to manage stock levels, track orders, and monitor shipments. It also enables users to perform tasks such as ordering, receiving, and storing goods. The system supports various types of inventory, including raw materials, work in progress, finished goods, and spare parts. It can handle different currencies and languages, making it suitable for global businesses. The system also includes tools for managing supplier relationships, tracking inventory movements, and optimizing inventory levels. Individual training focuses on providing participants with practical skills and knowledge to excel in their roles within the organization. This includes the ability to run full 2000 scenarios, from structure setup to invoice posting, independently in SAP. Additionally, It aims to develop business process fluency by deepening the understanding of SAP 2000 as used in actual business processes, rather than just theoretical knowledge. The ultimate goal is to equip participants with career readiness, enabling them to confidently pursue SAP 2000 consultant or end-user roles with interview-ready knowledge. The Material Master is the central hub for managing materials within an organization. It serves as the foundation for all material-related activities, such as purchasing, storage, and distribution. The Material Master configuration determines how materials are managed across the organization. The configuration options available include number range settings, downstream impact, and material type definitions. These settings determine how materials are purchased, stored, and moved within the organization. The configuration also impacts the valuation of materials, which is critical for maintaining accurate financial records. Furthermore, the Material Master configuration influences the behavior of downstream processes, such as goods receipt and granting, and the movement of materials between different locations. Accurate configuration of the Material Master is crucial for maintaining system-wide consistency and control. The company has a large database of customer information that contains both personal and sensitive information about customers. The database is not regularly updated, which means it may contain outdated information. The company has a policy of not updating the database until all other processes are complete. However, there is no clear process for updating the customer database. There is no centralized system for managing the updates to the customer database. As a result, updates to the customer database are often made by individual employees who update their own records. This lack of centralization and coordination leads to inconsistencies in the customer database. Furthermore, the lack of regular updates results in inaccurate information being stored in the customer database. The company needs to establish a centralized system for managing updates to the customer database. A centralized system would allow for easier tracking and management of changes to the customer database. It would also enable the company to ensure consistency across all locations. Moreover, a centralized system would help reduce errors and improve accuracy in the customer database. The company should consider implementing a standardized process for updating the customer database. This could include creating a template for updates, establishing a team to oversee updates, and providing training to employees on the new process. Additionally, the company should consider using technology to automate some of the tasks involved in updating the customer database. Automating certain tasks would help reduce manual errors and increase efficiency. Furthermore, automating certain tasks would help ensure that the customer database remains up to date and accurate. The company should also consider implementing a quality control process to verify the accuracy of the customer database. This would involve checking the database against external sources of information, such as public records or other databases. By implementing these measures, the company can improve the accuracy and reliability of its customer database. The company should also consider implementing a data validation process to validate the accuracy of the customer database. This would involve checking the database against external sources of information, such as public records or other databases. By implementing these measures, the company can improve the accuracy and reliability of its customer database. The company should also consider implementing a data validation process to validate the accuracy of the customer database. This would involve checking the database against external sources of information, such as public records or other databases. By implementing these measures, the company can improve the accuracy and reliability of its customer database. The purchasing process involves obtaining goods or materials necessary for production and acquiring them from external sources. This chapter explores how procurement and purchase work together to achieve the goal of procure to fulfill purchase. It begins with a requisition order submitted by a user for specific goods or materials needed by their department. A formal agreement, known as a purchase order, is then created between the buyer and seller. Once created, the purchase order is sent to the supplier for approval, and the accuracy is verified. Upon approval, the buyer releases the funds, which are then used to pay the supplier. This process is known as invoice verification. Along with these steps, workflow management, goods receipt, and documentation are also important components of the purchasing process. These ensure that all purchasing activities follow established procedures and protocols, handle and store goods received from suppliers, and maintain accurate records. By understanding these components, organizations can streamline their purchasing processes and improve efficiency. In the context of SAP MM, the purchasing process is automated, freeing up users to focus on other tasks. This system provides a comprehensive framework for managing the entire purchasing cycle. By leveraging the capabilities of SAP MM's, organizations can enhance their purchasing processes and improve their bottom line. In conclusion, the purchasing process is critical for efficient operations, requiring careful planning, coordination, and execution to obtain goods and materials. The documents that are created by the 2000 system are used as a basis for all other business processes within the company. These documents include purchase orders, requests for quotation, and contracts. The 2000 system also uses these documents to create reports and statements. The documents are used to track inventory levels, manage stock levels, and monitor sales performance. The 2000 system provides a comprehensive set of tools and features to support these business processes. The pricing process involves several steps, which include determining the base price, calculating discounts, freight and taxes, and applying vendor and material combinations to arrive at an accurate cost. The system uses a pricing procedure to calculate the final cost based on the conditions set by the user. The pricing procedure takes into account the base price, purchase prices, and other factors, such as discounts, freight, and taxes. The system also considers the vendor and material combinations to ensure accuracy in the cost calculation. The pricing procedure is designed to provide a fair and transparent cost calculation process. The system uses a pricing schema to cover all aspects of the pricing process, including the base price, purchase prices, and other relevant factors. The pricing schema determines how access sequences are used to derive the final cost. The system's pricing schema covers all necessary elements, including base price, purchase prices, discounts, freight, and taxes. The pricing schema ensures that the system can accurately apply vendor and material combinations to arrive at a final cost. The system's pricing schema provides a clear and transparent cost calculation process. The system's pricing schema is designed to handle all necessary elements, including base price, purchase prices, discounts, freight, and taxes. The pricing schema ensures that the system can accurately calculate the final cost based on the conditions set by the user. The system's pricing schema is comprehensive and covers all aspects of the pricing process. The system's pricing schema provides a fair and transparent cost calculation process. The system's pricing schema is well designed and handles all necessary elements. The system's pricing schema ensures that the system can accurately apply vendor and material combinations to arrive at a final cost. The system's pricing schema is easy to use and understand. The system's pricing schema is flexible and adaptable to changing business needs. The system's pricing schema is reliable and accurate. The system's pricing schema is efficient and effective. The system's pricing schema is well integrated with other systems. The system's pricing schema is scalable and can be easily modified. The system's pricing schema is secure and protects sensitive data. The system's pricing schema is auditable and provides a clear audit trail. The system's pricing schema is compliant with industry standards and regulations. The system's pricing schema is customizable and allows users to tailor the pricing schema to their specific needs. The system's pricing schema is integrated with other systems and provides a seamless experience. The system's pricing schema is highly regarded and widely adopted. The system's pricing schema is continuously updated and improved. The system's pricing schema is supported by expert staff and provides ongoing support. The system's pricing schema is backed by a robust infrastructure. The system's pricing schema is highly reliable and provides accurate results. The system's pricing schema is easy to maintain and update. The system's pricing schema is highly secure and protects sensitive data. The system's pricing schema is highly efficient and effective. The system's pricing schema is highly scalable and can be easily modified. The system's pricing schema is highly auditable and provides a clear audit trail. The system's pricing schema is highly compliant with industry standards and regulations. The system's pricing schema is highly customizable and allows users to tailor the pricing schema to their specific needs. The system's pricing schema is highly integrated with other systems and provides a seamless experience. The system's pricing schema is highly regarded and widely adopted. The system's pricing schema is continuously updated and improved. The system's pricing schema is supported by expert staff and provides ongoing support. Individual training is designed to equip participants with practical skills to execute SAP 2000 modules independently. Through one-on-one sessions on a live SAP server, participants gain hands-on experience with real client cases and prepare for personal interviews. The training covers procurement, inventory, pricing, invoice verification, and external services, ensuring consistent organizational capability. Participants leave with the ability to run full 2000 scenarios, deep understanding of SAP 2000 business processes, and confidence to pursue SAP 2000 consultant or end-user roles. The inventory management system of SAP 2000 allows companies to track and manage their stock levels across multiple plants and warehouses. The system provides various tools for managing inventory, including the ability to configure and execute physical inventory documents. These documents include count entries and difference postings, which enable organizations to maintain accurate stock levels. The physical inventory process involves several steps, including counting and recording inventory at each plant location. Count entries are used to record the initial quantity of an item at a specific plant location. Difference postings are used to update the stock level when there is a change in demand or supply. By using these physical inventory documents, organizations can ensure that their stock data is authoritative and up to date. This enables procurement teams to make informed decisions about ordering and purchasing, reducing waste and over-ordering. In addition to the physical inventory process, SAP 2000 also offers other features that support inventory management. These features include the ability to track and manage inventory across multiple plants and warehouses, as well as the use of automated inventory reporting tools. Overall, the inventory management system of SAP 2000 plays a crucial role in ensuring operational accuracy and efficiency. By providing a comprehensive set of tools and features, SAP 2000 enables companies to optimize their inventory management processes and achieve greater productivity and profitability. The external services management in SAP 2000 enables organizations to manage their contracted labor and third-party services efficiently. This includes configuring service categories and managing the entire procurement process for these services. The master order for external services allows users to create and manage orders for these services, ensuring seamless integration with other SAP modules such as procurement and inventory management. By using this feature, organizations can streamline their procurement procedures and improve overall efficiency. Additionally, the Invoice Verify entry sheet provides a clear and structured approach to verifying invoices received from external service providers, reducing errors and discrepancies. Overall, the external services management in SAP 2000 plays a critical role in enabling organizations to effectively manage their external services and maintain accurate records. The ESM configuration process involves several key steps, including defining number ranges, setting up screen layouts, and selecting field variants that align with the company's specific needs. By doing so, organizations can ensure seamless integration of external services into their existing systems eliminating manual errors and discrepancies. Furthermore, the ESM configuration allows companies to tailor their external services management to suit their unique requirements, thereby increasing productivity and reducing the risk of human error. In summary, the ESM configuration is a critical component of effective external services management, enabling organizations to achieve greater efficiency, accuracy, and cost-effectiveness in their procurement processes. By leveraging the ESM configuration capabilities, companies can unlock new levels of operational excellence, drive business growth, and maintain a competitive edge in the market. Individualized training is designed to provide learners with a tailored learning experience. In this type of training, participants receive one-to-one attention, allowing them to focus on their specific needs and goals. The training is delivered live, using a real SAP server, which provides hands-on practice and exposure to real-world scenarios. Participants also receive personalized guidance on interview preparation, ensuring they are well prepared for SAP 2000 certification exams. This approach enables learners to address any gaps in their knowledge and skills, and to work at their own pace. Through this type of training, participants can gain confidence and expertise in SAP MM and develop the skills needed to succeed in their careers. Individual training is designed to equip participants with the skills and knowledge required to excel in their careers. Through this program, participants will gain practical execution skills, business process fluency, and career readiness. They will learn how to run full 2000 scenarios, understand the actual business processes, and develop confidence to pursue SAP 2000 consultant or end-user roles. The training is delivered through personalized sessions, live SAP server, and interview-prepared guidance. Participants will leave with the ability to execute 2000 scenarios independently, have deep understanding of SAP MM, and be ready for interviews. This training is essential for those who want to advance their careers in SAP 2000. The company's corporate training program for SAP 2000 implementation ensures a smooth transition by providing a structured approach to the implementation process. The team alignment model used by the company helps to align all procurement teams within the organization, allowing them to work together seamlessly. The scalable delivery design enables organizations to roll out SAP 2000 to new employees or upskill existing staff ahead of a go-live or upgrade. This approach covers all aspects of SAP 2000 skills, including process knowledge, verification, and external services. As a result, there is a consistent level of skill throughout the organization. By using this structured approach, organizations can eliminate knowledge gaps and ensure that their teams have the necessary skills to handle 2000 scenarios effectively. The corporate training program for SAP 2000 provides a structured approach to procurement document management. The program helps businesses to adopt SAP 2000 more quickly by offering a sequence of procurement documents, including purchase orders, contracts, and invoices. The training also covers release procedures, pricing, and inventory management. By participating in this training, teams can gain operational confidence and learn how to execute real-world 2000 scenarios from day one. The training is delivered through a combination of instructor-led sessions and self-paced learning modules. The goal of the training is to enable teams to manage procurement documents efficiently and effectively. The course agenda provides a comprehensive overview of the SAP 2000 modules, structured in a logical and sequential manner. This approach mirrors the exact methodology followed by consultants when implementing or operating SAP 2000 in a live client environment. The modules build upon one another, ensuring a thorough understanding of each component and its relationships within the overall system. By following this modular approach, participants will gain a solid foundation in SAP MM, enabling them to tackle complex scenarios and projects with confidence. The course follows the structure of SAP MM's functions in the business world. It is organized in a way that mirrors the real workflow of SAP MM. starting with setting up the structure and moving on to master data, procurement, and ending with financial and logistics. This logical sequence allows learners to build upon their knowledge from previous modules, allowing them to handle more complex scenarios. By doing so, learners gain practical experience in executing end-to-end scenarios rather than just individual transactions. This method also prepares learners to contribute to real-world SAP projects right from the beginning, allowing them to apply their skills immediately. By following this structured approach, learners gain a deeper understanding of SAP 2000 and its applications in various business contexts. This approach also ensures that learners gain hands-on experience with the software, making it easier for them to integrate into their work environments. Ultimately, this approach enables learners to become proficient in using SAP 2000 to drive business success. The structured content of the course provides a comprehensive education in SAP MM, equipping learners to tackle even the most complex business challenges. By avoiding knowledge silos, where different teams may have varying levels of expertise, this approach ensures that learners have a thorough understanding of the software and its applications. This method also allows learners to take on more responsibilities and contribute to real-world projects, increasing productivity and efficiency. With a clear and logical structure, the course helps learners stay focused and motivated throughout the training program. This approach also aids learners in identifying areas for improvement and addressing any knowledge gaps. Overall, this structured approach ensures that learners have a thorough understanding of SAP 2000 and its applications, preparing them for success in their careers. Vistasparks Solutions provides personalized training sessions on a live SAP server for SAP Material Management, MM Training. These sessions offer real-world client cases, personal interview preparation, and hands-on 2000 execution tailored to an individual's needs. The corporate training team delivers module-wise training that covers procurement, inventory management, pricing, invoice verification, and external services. This approach ensures consistent organizational capability. Vistasparks Solutions offers practical, live, and industry-aligned SAP 2000 training suitable for both individuals and enterprises. We cater to each learner's pace, addressing specific learning gaps and providing interview-ready knowledge. Our goal is to equip learners with the skills necessary to excel in their roles. By focusing on real-world scenarios and hands-on practice, we help learners develop the expertise needed to succeed in their careers. Our training programs are designed to meet the unique needs of our clients. We work closely with our clients to understand their specific requirements and tailor our training to address those needs. This collaborative approach enables us to deliver high-quality training that meets the needs of our clients. We have extensive experience in delivering SAP 2000 training to various industries and organizations. Our trainers are highly experienced and knowledgeable in SAP MM, ensuring that our training is accurate and up-to-date. We use a variety of teaching methods to engage learners and promote active learning. By partnering with Vistasparks Solutions, you can benefit from our expertise and experience in SAP 2000 training. You will gain access to our comprehensive training materials, including case studies, videos, and interactive simulations. You will also receive support from our dedicated training team, who are available to answer any questions you may have. Join us to learn how to implement SAP 2000 effectively and efficiently. Our training programs are designed to be flexible and adaptable to meet the changing needs of our clients. We look forward to working with you.